Let's talk about some security applications that absolutely every computer needs to have on it. Well, first off, it is what we would now call next generation endpoint detection and response. What we previously would have referred to as antivirus. And a lot of, end users think of it as antivirus. But really there's a lot that's happened in the industry with endpoint detection or antivirus. And you want to go with a newer style product that actually is using artificial intelligence. It is looking at attacks before they ever are malicious, if you will. It's almost like what the bad guys are doing is they're building a bomb on your machine. And in essence, you get a load of fertilizer. Cool. Nobody freaks out over fertilizer, right? It fertilizes the field or the grass. Then they're going to get a load of diesel fuel. There's not a big problem with this fuel. We use it all over. Then they're going to have some type of detonating device that's going to basically is going to bulk those together and then blow it up. Well, that's whenever it gets interesting. And what these new endpoint detection and response products do is they know the bad guy's activities, and they also can see what's happening, and they know basically the line of activities that happen to make that bomb, and they catch it before it really turns into a bomb. And another thing is the endpoint detection and response. A lot of the older antiviruses, they don't actually respond to anybody, or if they do, they pop up a box all the time on your computer, and you click yes one time and it lets it work. You click no the next time and it doesn't let your computer work, so you just start clicking yes all the time. And it's really bad to have an end user making security decisions, whereas these better, greater products that are out now will actually make those determinations behind the scene, and they'll actually notify the like a company like ours that something took place on that machine. We can even disconnect that machine from the network. So I'm going to keep this short, and I'm going to talk about endpoint detection and response is the absolute unequivocal must that you have to have on every computer. If you'd like to find out more, I could even go into some details about which ones I think are the best. I'd be happy to help. Just let me know.